We all have dreams, aspirations, goals that pull us forward, guiding lights on our life's path. But the journey from where we are to where we want to be can often feel long, arduous, and fraught with moments of doubt and dwindling motivation. We rely on to-do lists, accountability partners, and the occasional surge of willpower to keep us going. But what if there was a more powerful, more intrinsic source of energy that could fuel your daily drive, making the pursuit of your goals feel less like a struggle and more like an inevitable unfolding? Today, we're diving deep into a core principle of Neville Goddard's teachings, the power of the end-state energy. This isn't about simply visualizing your goals. It's about something far more potent. It's about living, feeling, and embodying the reality of your wish already fulfilled now. It's about tapping into the inherent energy of your accomplished desire to propel you through each day with unwavering focus and inspired action. If you're ready to discover how to harness the transformative power of the end state to fuel your daily drive, then join me on this insightful exploration. We've all likely encountered the idea of visualization, creating mental pictures of our desired outcomes. And while visualization can be a helpful tool, Neville Goddard's concept of the end state goes far beyond mere mental imagery. It's not about being a detached observer of a future possibility. It's about becoming an active participant in the reality of your fulfilled desire within the realm of your imagination. The end state is a specific feeling, the dominant emotions, the sensory experiences that would naturally be yours if your goal were already achieved. It's not just seeing yourself with a success. It's feeling the relief, the joy, the gratitude, the confidence that accompanies that success. It's immersing yourself so fully in this imagined reality that your subconscious mind begins to accept it as your current truth. This deep emotional engagement is what imbues the end state with its powerful motivational energy. It shifts your focus from the lack of your desire to the vibrant reality of its presence. The brilliance of the end state lies in its ability to generate intrinsic motivation, a drive that comes from within, rather than relying on external pressures or fleeting bursts of willpower. When you consistently dwell on the feeling of your wish fulfilled, your subconscious mind begins to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with this new reality. Imagine you deeply desire to be a successful entrepreneur. Instead of just picturing your thriving business, you immerse yourself in the feeling of satisfaction as you read glowing customer testimonials, the excitement of closing a significant deal, the sense of freedom and accomplishment as you lead your team. This emotional resonance creates a powerful internal pull. Your subconscious, now convinced that this success is already a reality, will begin to guide you towards opportunities, inspire creative solutions, and provide the inner resilience needed to overcome challenges along the way. The motivation isn't a forced effort. It's a natural outflow of your deeply ingrained end-state consciousness. You're not chasing a distant dream. You're living from the energetic reality of its completion. So, how do you practically tap into this end-state energy? Neville Goddard offered several powerful techniques. Sensory immersion. Engage all your senses in your imagined end state. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? The more vivid and real it feels, the more impactful it will be. Feeling is key. The emotion you evoke is paramount. Focus on the dominant feelings of joy, gratitude, relief, or accomplishment that would be yours in the fulfilled state. The as-if principle. Act and think now as a person who has already achieved their desire. How would they carry themselves? What conversations would they have? What decisions would they make? Mental rehearsal. Regularly rehearse a specific scene that implies your wish fulfilled. Keep it short, impactful, and repeat it until it feels natural and real. Do this especially in the state akin to sleep, SATs. Affirmations from the end. Frame your affirmations not as desires, but as statements of your current reality within the end state. For example, instead of, "I will be wealthy," affirm, "I am so grateful for my abundant wealth." The key is consistency and emotional engagement. Don't just go through the motions. Truly feel the reality of your fulfilled desire. The end state energy isn't just a tool for initial manifestation. It's a powerful source of daily fuel that helps you overcome obstacles and maintain momentum. When challenges arise, as they inevitably will, instead of getting discouraged or reverting to old patterns of doubt, return to your vividly imagined end state. Re-immerse yourself in the feeling of your success. Remind yourself of the reality you have already claimed in your consciousness. This practice acts as a recalibration, realigning your energy and perspective. It reminds you of the why behind your efforts and reinforces your belief in the inevitability of your success. The end state provides an unwavering anchor, preventing temporary setbacks from derailing your long-term vision. It transforms challenges from roadblocks into temporary detours on a path that you already know leads to your desired destination. Your daily drive becomes less about forcing yourself forward and more about naturally moving towards a reality you already inhabit energetically. One of the critical distinctions Neville makes is the energetic difference between wanting and having. When you constantly focus on what you want, you perpetuate a state of lack and separation from your desire. This wanting energy can actually hinder your progress and drain your motivation. The end state shifts you from this energy of lack to the energy of fulfillment. By living in the feeling of already having your desire, you close the energetic gap. Your subconscious mind no longer perceives a separation, and therefore, the internal resistance to its manifestation begins to dissolve. Your daily drive is no longer fueled by a desperate need, but by a calm, confident knowing that you are moving from a place of fulfillment, not towards it. This subtle but profound shift in energetic alignment is a game changer for sustained motivation and effortless progress. To truly harness the power of the end state energy for your daily drive, it's essential to integrate its practice into your daily routine. Make it a conscious and consistent part of your day. Morning immersion. Start your day by spending a few minutes vividly feeling your end state. Set the tone for the day with the energy of your fulfilled desire. Midday recalibration. Take short breaks throughout the day to reconnect with the feeling of your end state, especially if you feel your motivation waning. Nightly reinforcement. End your day by falling asleep while immersed in the sensory reality of your wish fulfilled. The state akin to sleep is a powerful time to impress your subconscious. Throughout the day, reminders. Set subtle reminders, a specific image on your phone, a particular phrase, to gently bring your focus back to the feeling of your end state. Consistency is key. The more consistently you embody the end state, the more powerful it will fuel your daily drive and shape your external reality. The end state energy, as taught by Neville Goddard, is a transformative key to unlocking sustainable, intrinsic motivation. It moves us beyond the limitations of external triggers and empowers us to cultivate an unwavering drive from the very core of our being. By consciously embodying the feeling of our wishes fulfilled, we tap into a powerful energetic current that propels us forward with clarity, focus, and an undeniable sense of certainty. Embrace this principle. Make it a daily practice. Live in the energy of your accomplishment now, and watch as that powerful end state fuels your every step towards a magnificent reality you are destined to create.